I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
So it is 6:40. No, 6:52. I'm sorry, and it is still pitch black outside. Wait, is this a light? Is this a light? Is this a light? No. Can you tell I've never driven a car? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, lighting. Okay, can you tell I've never driven a car in my life because I didn't know what I just touched? But my mom's like, don't touch the shifter because the car's on because it's cold. But yeah, we're on our way to Disney World. I'm gonna save my battery for like train and stuff, so I gotta go, but we are ready to go. We made it, Mom. I'm gonna do that thing. What things? Yeah. So I'm riding back. I'm good. I'm good. I know. That's what I said. I'm good. No. I'm good. I just put my headphones in. I'm good. But I'm riding backwards. He's great. We have the red cab service.
Ray?
I have no idea. Ray, yeah.
Connecticut and concerning their trip going southbound this morning. I'll be refreshing laboratories collective traffic to Philadelphia 30th grade PA this early afternoon. And for everyone's comfort and convenience, in each coach car which is seated in, there's trash bins located in the front end of the car and also at the rear end of the car. And also when we use the laboratories restrooms. Please use your best judgment and discretion, and please do not, I repeat, please do not throw any food or drink waste in the trash bins of the restrooms. Thank you very much.
And that person will want their seat. Will have to switch to their seat. Your seat. Please do not switch seats.
Business class, as those who are assigned. Please double check your ticket and ensure you're in the correct row as well as the correct seat. Sign right in front of business class is our quiet car. In the quiet car, there are no cell phone conversations. Conversations must be kept to a minimum, also at a whisper. In the middle of the train, there is our cafe car. Please listen for the announcement for the opening of the cafe car. Once again, in the middle of the train today is our cafe car. Please listen for the announcement for the opening of the cafe car. Please take a moment to check the safety instructions in the seat back in front of you. Very convenient, there are 2 restrooms as well as 2 trash receptacles located in each coach. Conductors will be coming to scan tickets at this time. Please have all tickets out and ready. This is one of the train here in New York, so all tickets will need to be rescanned no matter where you boarded. Our next station stop will be downtown Newark, New Jersey, followed by Metro Park, Springfield. Philadelphia 30th Street Station, Wilmington, Delaware, downtown Baltimore. EWI Server Marshall Airport, New Kelton, Maryland, followed by Washington, D.C. Union Station with other intermediate stops down to Norfolk. And all tickets, please.
It is 2:07 and we have officially made it to DC. So the power just went off on the train just because I think they turned it off. But yeah, so far it's been good. I was able to use the restroom, so that was good. it reminded me of like a bathroom that you have in like the hallway of your house that only has like a sink and the restroom, obviously. So yeah, but we'll see how this goes. Yeah, I am too. Although I just went to the bathroom, so I don't want to drink anything, but I am thirsty too. Okay, so hey vlog, it is currently 3:03 and we have made it to Washington DC. We have went to the restroom. Oh no, where's my other bag? Oh, it's right there. Okay. This is my wallet bag. Okay. We've made it to Washington DC. We have actually made it on the other train. It is tight. So much so that I had to get on the train with a lift. And then I had to get out of my chair and I had to walk down the hallway. And I had a little panic attack because it's tight. It's like claustrophobically tight. So, yeah. Hey everybody, it is 6 p.m. right now. Using my mom's phone as the timestamp because I'm filming on mine, and we're somewhere in the middle of Virginia, and I keep saying, what did I say? I said Johnny Depp earlier, right? Yeah. Well, anyway, I keep thinking of Johnny Depp because that's where the whole trial was.
Struggling a little bit.
Yeah, we are struggling. Is this a spinny chair? Because I feel like I'm spinning. No, okay. But we have no Wi-Fi on this train, which is, I mean, it's fine.
It's not the point. The point is you're supposed to have it.
You are though.
Yeah.
Because we had it on the other one. I somehow have to figure out how to use the bathroom. That's the bathroom door right here.
The caps.
It's like, I was a little morbid before. I said it was a coffin, but it looks more like a tube.
To me, it looks like Tracy Turnblad's hairspray. Hairspray.
Tracy Turnblad's hairspray. Maybe. Yeah. I mean, it's getting darker, so that means like we're on the way, you know. It's like boom, boom,
I mean,
boom.
listen, I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not like.
I mean, I hope the chair's still here.
Just dealing with it.
Yeah. Actually, my mom MacGyvered something. My feet are currently on my foot, not my foot pedals, my seat cushion, because they're like, oh, does this thing fold? So we, like, and it does fold because you can take the backrest off of the chair and the pedals and stuff. Did you take the wheels off too? Oh. And then like you pull it up in the middle. So, but it's a rigid frame chair, so technically it doesn't fold, but whatever. Oh, and then the other thing I was thinking is, does he for sure have a car for tomorrow?
I have no idea what's happening at my.
Okay. Yeah, my dad's a little grouchy right now.
I thought we were taking the bus.
No. Yeah, but from the train to the hotel.
Well, yeah. Well, let's. Hey.
Because he said he called.
Yeah.
So, but actually, my mom's kind of severely pissed because my dad booked our ticket, like originally booked our tickets, and then, not that my dad doesn't know what he's doing, but he sometimes gets things confused. So my mom followed up and talked at length with the lady, and was like, she was like, oh yeah, you could like maneuver a chair, and like you guys don't have to sit in your room, and you could just go there later. Okay, well, so we have a little tray table, and my mom is stuck in here with me because I'm not moving, because
you can't. Your chair's packed.
well, yeah, well, that too. See, I feel much better because I thought it was because of my anxiousness that he said, oh, I'll just bring you dinner. So,
I would have to walk you by your hands now.
right, okay. So,
Imagine if I had to walk you down this mountain.
yeah, no, that wouldn't happen. So it is 6:04, and we ordered dinner for 6 o'clock, so we should get it soon. And because I'm a grandma, I want to go to bed like now. So, but yeah. But my dad went to the car, the dining car. Oh yeah, he should have took his phone. I wanted pictures, but whatever, it's fine. But yeah. But all that matters is we're safe, we're together, we have Advil, we have anxiety medicine, we have headphones. They gave us pillows. They're kind of squishy, but it's alright. But yeah, it looks like I'm not going to be using my CPAP machine though, because
Don't laugh.
I'm not laughing. But yeah, there's no room for the hose. But I brought it with me because like I didn't want, like, not that the doctor tracks you, but like you like
Yeah,
you know,
see how long.
yeah, they could see when you use it. So I didn't want to go 4 days, or actually almost a week, without using it. So I'll use it when we get to Disney.
Hopefully those amenities are.
Oh my God.
Somebody else made those.
It's so hard to travel. Why is it so hard to travel? Like, I've seen so many people, like, we can't be the only one that has an issue. Anyways, update later. Signing off. So we got dinner. That's perfect. So I got mac and cheese. Well, actually, I ordered the steak, but I didn't like it. So,
But I knew it came.
oh, I didn't know that. I thought it was just steak. But we got all little stuff. Mom's getting her Diet Coke. How's your steak?
It's good.
Good.
You should have these.
No, I'm good. So, good morning, Baltimore. Actually, no. Good morning. We're in Jacksonville. We have about 3 hours left till we get to Orlando. Mom, how'd you sleep last night?
I don't know. Little naps here and there.
Yeah. Anyway. And all that's on the Disney itinerary today is dinner at 4 p.m. And,
Drops by the pool.
oh, well, I might ditch that and just go take a nap.
Hopefully the amenities are.
Well, anything is better than this. Oh, jeez. Pretty sunrise, though.
I don't think that's the sunrise. I don't know. Honestly, no, because we're going south, so we wouldn't be that one. So.
Oh.
Florida will be our next station stop.
Black.
For your information, our dining car is still open and serving. Forward of this car, past the next sleeping car. Dining car is open and serving breakfast. And again, there is coffee available in this car at the coffee station. Thank you.
So apparently we're going to, where's that? Plaka?
Never heard of it.
Never heard of it either. And then Orlando, you said, right?
I didn't hear that.
Oh. Let's see what we got for breakfast.
Looks a lot nicer than dinner.
Yeah. And yes, I got another soda. Judge me all you want. I don't care. Ooh.
Take those berries off.
I got French toast. It's got powdered sugar on it.
There's syrup there, if you wanna.
Oh, I thought this was jelly.
That's syrup.
Cheers. I assume this is all plastic, right? Look at that.
Do this. Sorry, dudes. Put it down.
Got strawberries and I don't need any of that. I just want regular old
Taste the bacon.
bacon on a train. Oh man.
Good.
Very good.
Yeah. You can turn it off and then take.
I'll take it off. So it is 10:26 and we have about 7 minutes until we get to Orlando. I cried this morning. It's not been a good, like we're here safe and it's been fine, but like just look at this. It's just so small and my feet are swollen, but I just need to get off of here and get coffee and restart my day. That's what I need to do.
Experience.
Whatever doesn't kill
We're
you.
going to enjoy our few days down here. And,
Trust me, northbound with the atrium,
Yeah,
it's a whole, it's a lot easier, it's more spacious. Well, 3 of you in there, it's not going to be too tight.
Well, then we can check the bags next time too,
yeah,
because we didn't do that.
We make arrangements to check our luggage
Okay,
earlier.
here's what you're going to do. You're going to just get
I'll
in.
let this guy go by.
Oh.
You wanna go by?
Oh, no,
Yeah, just
we'll
we
let
can
him
talk
go.
to them later, Andy.
Yeah, just get there a little early
Yeah.
to check the bags.
Yeah, okay.
I just check the
That's-
stuff, of course, you don't need.
That's the something
Yeah.
you could do on the we
On the
didn't have
fly,
to call
then.
ahead of time to do it.
No, you would do that when you get there.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and check. That'll work for you. Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, Dave.
Yeah.
You're getting your workout today.
You're getting your steps in.